How to make money while using Tango application. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make money while using Tango application. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So first of all, you need to have an account on Tango application. If you don't have any account, you can find the link in the description that I made a video that how you can create an account and how you can use the certain features of Tango application. So how you can make money on Tango application, this is the big question. So as you can see, when you open the Tango application, and here you will find that many people are broadcasting live. They are showcasing their talent. So if you think that you're talented and you can showcase the talent as these people are doing right now, you can just click on any one of the live broadcast here. There are many categories that, as you can see here. So these all things I explained in the first video that I posted about Tango application. So in today's video, we will only talk about how you can make money. So guys, as you can see here, there is a live option which you can use. So by tapping on that live options, you will go live and you can showcase your talent to the people, and that's how you can make money, because people will send you some gifts. People can send you diamonds as well, and those diamonds you can convert it into real money. So how it works, I will tell you. So guys, once you created your account, you have an account on Tango application, the next thing you need to do is to go live and showcase your talent. So how you will go live, here is the option. As you can see, you can just tap on the live option here and your front camera will open. Here, as you can see, you can add some hashtags here, and these are the most popular hashtags. So you can just click on any of the hashtag, or you want to hashtag your video yourself, you can just make it like my first video, my first live broadcast. You can select anything and it will work that way. So you need to select some very good hashtags which can attract the audience on your video, and this is how you can do it. Once you're done with the hashtags, then the next thing is that you need to just tap on this option. So once you tap on the option, as you can see, it's now connecting, and it's already connected right now. No one is on my live broadcast at the moment, but as soon as people will come on the live broadcast, they will send you some gifts. They will send you diamonds, and those diamonds, when it reaches 5,000, so the minimum requirement is to withdraw your cash is 5,000, and if you convert 5,000 to US dollars, it's 25 US dollars for each 5,000 diamonds that you will get, and then you can withdraw it. So this is how it works. You need to go live and you need to showcase your talent. Whatever talent that you have, you can showcase it here. Right now on my live feed, there is no one, so I just want to show you that how, because I don't have any followers right now, you can make more followers. And now, as you can see, the broadcast has ended. So there is another thing. If you click on here, there is another options of party, and there is like, so if we tap on party, as you can see, now you can invite friends and you can make it like a public party. So if you make it public party, anyone can see it, and here anyone can join you as well. Here, as you can see, they said it's searching for a party, so the search will be completed and then you will join the party. So I will exit. So this is how you can go live and you can earn. So now I will show you that the people, like if I click on the most popular and then tap on any of the profiles, so here is, you can see this profile, this person already earned this amount of diamonds. So if you convert those amount of diamonds, like 5,000 is equal to 25, so you can imagine how much this user already earned using Tango application. So this is how you can do it, and you can actually watch the videos, that what they actually do on the videos. As you can see here, people are watching. As you can see here, some people are. So here is the option. When you go live, people will see it like this, and here is the option that they can send you gifts from here on your live feed. So this is how it works, and they can send you diamonds as well. Like if you're watching, and then they can send you diamonds, and you can earn diamonds while using this live feature, and then you can convert those diamonds into real money. So guys, this is how it works. So the next thing is that how you can withdraw your money. So I will show you. Once you tap on your profile here, as you can see, I have 10 followers and I only have 7 diamonds right now because I just created the account. I did not use it much. So if you scroll down here, and there is the thing that redeem cash. So once you want to withdraw your cash, I told you you need to have a minimum of 5,000 diamonds on your account. So I recently have only 7. Then you must connect to your Pioneer account to cash out. So you need to create a Pioneer account. It's very easy that how you can create a Pioneer account so you can cash out. Please note that Pioneer account activation may take some time. Please contact support with questions. If you have any question, you can actually contact their support center as well, and they will have. So it's very easy to withdraw your cash from here. So guys, this is how you can earn money while using Tango application. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.